And we are in the state of Karnataka. Well, I started from Maharashtra, crossed into Goa, and now I've crossed into Karnataka on this Monsoon Bike Tour 2018. Let's see how many more states are in store for me. Okay, I am now approaching probably what is the most famous bridge over here in the city of Karwar, and that is the mighty bridge over the river Kali. It is a mesmerizing sight. And here we are. Whoa! Oh my God! This is one massive river. Just look at the water body. Just look at the body of water on this one. Awesome. Okay, I have reached the city of Karwar during my Monsoon Bike Tour 2018. On my right, the Worship Museum, the famous Karwar beach. I'll get to it in some time. My first stop is to hunt a place to camp for the night, and then we'll come over here and get a better view.